It's past you. It's your fault.
It's not my fault.
It's passing the street.
Man, he walked out on a green turn. Like, what the was that, man? Almost killed that.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we came to Leo's Taco Truck.
Oh, it's first time.
Need a pasta.
Yeah, for our pastas and 2 beef.
For dry, for all pasta and 2 beef. And 1 quesadilla.
This is my favorite taco truck in LA.
We have to show this.
I already showed them. Don't ever try to argue with me.
Oh. You pay.
Hi, can I get 1 quesadilla or beef fry? All pasta tacos, 2 beef tacos. 170. Come here, Michael.
The price is 2.25. It's more
How come?
expensive than our pasta.
This taco truck fire, man. This taco truck fire. Is it true that all of these taco trucks are illegal?
Nah.
No?
Nah, who told you that?
If you guys want to come this taco truck, you guys just have to bring cash.
What?
Cash only.
Michael is 190.
What is your number?
120.
120, 120. Come on the other truck.
Okay, thank you.
What you getting, man?
You got those carrots and onions and stuff.
Green one, 2 radish.
Also some lime.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another taco truck right across the street.
It's famous. Really famous.
I didn't know that. Leo's Tacos.
Wow, your hand.
This place is actually bomb. Ooh, look at this. Check this out. Oh, try it. 곱창 타코. 곱창.
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 곱창. 맛있어요.
This is beef taco. 소고기 타코.
물고기. 물고기.
No 불고기, 소고기.
Oh, pasta.
Oh, pasta. Is this the signature menu?
Signature one.
Right? This one's the signature. Quesadilla.
What I love about LA is that we can find the good taco, authentic taste of taco.
This one's red chili.
This one's salsa.
Oh, red salsa. This one's red salsa and this one's green salsa. We usually mix it together. Dip it in salsa. This one's bomb.
Yeah, taco is always a good idea, right?
Yeah.
타코 맛있다.